Hello children, welcome to today's session. Today we will discuss about operators. Different types of operators are there. We will discuss in detail. Operators. What is this operator? Operators are symbols that perform specific operation when applied on variables. That's an operator. Operators are symbols that perform specific operation when applied on variables. Just take this example, 10 plus 25. Here plus is the operator. You know about that. Plus is the operator. Then 10 and 25 are known as operands. What's it? Operands. This is the combination of operator and operands. That is known as an expression. Above statement is an expression, that is combination of operator and operands. Here the symbol plus, this is the operator, then 10 and 25. These all are operands. Instead of these values, we can apply the variables. Okay, that is operator operates on operand. This operator operates on these operands. Some operator requires two operands and some requires only one operand to operate. Some operator requires two operands. For this arithmetic operation, addition, we need two operands. Then only we can perform this addition operation. That is known as binary operators. That is, some operator requires two operands. That is known as binary operators. And some requires only one operand to operate. That is known as unary operators. In this unary operator, only one operator and one operands. In this binary operator, only one operator and two operands. Okay, clear? Then first one, unary operators. These are operators that require one operand to operate upon. Only one operand we need to operate on this unary operator. Examples, plus, that is unary plus, positive number, plus 5. Can identify, that's a positive number. How can we identify the negative numbers? Minus 5. That is unary minus, that is the negative number. Then tilde, this is the tilde symbol. Bitwise complement, we will discuss in detail about these all operators. Tilde, bitwise complement. Then not, logical negation. These all are unary operators. Here, these operators that require only one operand to operate. That type of operators are known as unary operators. Okay. Then second one, binary operators. These are operators that require two operand to operate upon. Example, first one, arithmetic operators. Example for this binary operators, first one, arithmetic operators. We can identify the arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, star, slash, modulus, double star, double slash. Plus you know about this for addition. Minus, subtraction. Star, multiplication. Slash, division. Modulus, that means remainder. Remainder we will get. That is this modulus operator. In a division operation, we can identify the remainder by using this modulus operator. Then double star, that is exponent, exponentiation, power. Then double slash, floor division, that is integer value, floor division, integer values we can identify. We will discuss about this arithmetic operators. Example, num1 is equal to 20, num2 is equal to 7. VAL is equal to num1 mod num2. This one is the modulus operator. We will get the remainder. Num1 20, num2 7. 20 divided by 7. Then the remainder is 6. Okay, 20 divided by 7. The remainder is 6. Clear? Then val is equal to 2 double star 4. That is 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. Print val, we will get this 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 raised to 4. Then val is equal to num1 divided by num2. You can see the number is like this. 2.8571428571428571 like that. Okay, then val is equal to num1 floor division num2. Then we can see the value as 2. That is floor division. We will get the integer value. From this we can identify the integer value, that is 2. Okay, clear this one? Then next one, bitwise operator. Bitwise operators works on the binary value of a number, not on the actual value. Always these bitwise operators are working on the binary value, not on the actual value. For example, if 5 is passed to this operator, it will work on 101, not on 5. Automatically, this 5 is converted to its binary value. The binary value of this 5 is 101. Binary of 5 is 101 and return the result in decimal, not in binary. Always we will get the result in decimal format, not in binary level. These bitwise operators are working on the binary value of the number. First operator, AND, that is known as bitwise AND. Bitwise AND. Return 1 if both inputs are 1. That is AND operator. Bitwise AND. Then bitwise XOR. The symbol is cadet. Which is the symbol? Cadet. Return 1 if the number of 1 in input is in odd. We will discuss with example. This one is the cadet symbol, bitwise XOR. Return 1 if the number of 1 in input is in odd. Then this is the pipe symbol. That is known as bitwise OR. Return 1 if any input is 1. Clear? Bitwise operator. Example, print 12 and 7. That means this bitwise operators are working on the bit level, binary value of this decimal values. So binary of 12 is 1100 and 7 is 0111. So applying AND operator in these two binary values 1100 and 0111. That means AND operation. That means if the two inputs are 1, then only we will get the 1 as the output. So here 0 and 1. So we can't get the value as 1. If the two inputs are 1, then only we will get the output as 1. Here 1 0 and 1 1. So the output is 0. Then 0 1 again 0. Here 1 1. Two inputs are 1, we will get the answer as 1. 1. Then 1 0 0, which is equal to decimal value 4. Then we will get the output as 4. Guess the output with the OR and XOR also. Just try to develop like this. Okay, clear? Okay children, identify the operators, that is unary operator and binary operators. These all are very easy topics. Study these all operators in an effective way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class with the remaining operators. Till then, take care. Bye.